Rails to Trails Conservancy, and this is our journey with Google Maps platform.
Rails to Trails Conservancy was founded on a very simple idea, which was to convert unused railroad corridors into multi-use pathways. Rail trails provide a great way for people to get outdoors and to connect with each other, and to give people an opportunity to do things that are good for the environment.
In the early days, since our founding in 1986, our initial efforts to promote trails were through paper guidebooks. Our partnership with Google Maps platform really started in 2007 when we were looking for a partner to help us publish all of our trail data online on our TrailLink platform. TrailLink is a trail finder service that allows users to explore trails around them. You can download our offline maps, generate dynamic driving directions to get you to our trails, and then use the app out on the trail itself to guide your on-the-trail experience. Google is known for its powerful search functionality, and one of the ways we're tapping into that is utilizing the Directions API, which allows users to get to and from trails, and Google Places allows folks to find trailside businesses and various amenity waypoints along the route. One of the elements we're most proud of is the symbiotic relationship between Rails to Trails Conservancy and Google Maps platform. To date, we've mapped more than 36,000 miles of multi-use trails in the US, which in turn helped the Google Transit team build out the Google Biking Directions algorithm. Since we started our partnership, we've reached more than 50 million users on our platform, connecting folks with trails.
Our goal is to reach many, many millions more. And so this partnership is just invaluable as we continue to build this movement and bring these resources to Americans all across the country.